crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is merry and bright, and it is Christmas season. So, welcome to day one of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025. So, this will be the third year that I've gotten the box, maybe the fourth year. Man, now I can't remember, but I think it's the third year. Lord, it doesn't matter, right? It is time to open this beautiful box, right? So I received this back in probably October. So it's been sitting here for a while. I did open, taking it out of the outer box. So now I've got the pretty box, right? It says greetings from Quiltown, USA. I mean, Jenny and her team really go to a lot of trouble, right? There's a lot of nice things about just the packaging and the way that they put this together. Um, but at the same time, right, it's got postcards and letters and different things. One's from Misty, one's from Ron and family, one's from Natalie. Just all different little Christmas messages and that, just to make the box even more special. But today is day one. I have been waiting forever, it seems like, to get here because I actually ordered this box in December of 2024. So right after we finished the boxes last year. They actually pre-released for this year. So let's see. I am not going to waste time just sitting here rattling on and on and on. As always, when you open the box, it has a nice card from Jenny. And it says, there's something truly magical about this time of year. I find myself reflecting on all the ways quilting connects us through fabric memories and through moments shared even from afar. So you always get a nice postcard, um, greeting card from Jenny and her husband, um, just to kind of open the box, right? Just kind of get us kicked off for the holidays. So now we want to dig down in here and see if we can't find day one. So day one is here. And so let's take a look. I will not be giving you blow by blow dollar values in that. I think overall the box is always a good value for what we pay. There's plenty of YouTube creators out there that will give you what they think the cost is and how much the box ends up being worth in that. Just not me, not who I'm doing. I am just giving you my unbiased, unpaid opinion about what's in the box. So let's start it. So day one, again, beautiful packaging, right? They've spent a lot of time over the last few years really getting that look and packaging for them. And it is a Missouri Star Quilt Snow Globe Winter Journey project pattern for a panel and yardage. So look how cute this turns out to be. So it is a snow globe pattern that actually says it's Snow Globe Winter Journey. On the back, it has sample projects. So you can make the wall hanging. You can actually make a vertical wall hanging. So you have a couple of options. So I am showing you front and back, which is typical of what we would see in the stores and that. I am not showing you specific directions inside. But what they did provide is a panel to go with that. And that is pretty awesome. So I will have to say, I think this is pretty adorable. And when you look at this, I was looking to see this panel is a Snow Globe Winter Journey by Missouri Star Quilt. So it was printed for them, copyrighted by them. So all of this is their taking. So look how cute that is. So overall, to start off, I don't know that I would have started off with a panel, but it is nice if they're giving us a Christmas winter project to work on that we got this on day one. So pretty awesome. So where am I at today? I am happy. I am excited that I decided to purchase the box again this year. So far, 10 out of 10 starting, and we will see how that continues. So guys, thanks for dropping in, spending a few minutes with me, looking and seeing what was in the box today, seeing what my take and opinion is on that, and can't wait for day two. So hope you all are having an amazing week. Welcome to December 1st. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.